It's me, Maddie.
It's me, Lee.
And today we are going to be doing something super cool. We are going to be opening up some amazing stuff from one of our friends. She's amazing, Stephanie. And so she went to Japan. Amazing Japan. I always wish I was going. I always wish to go there. And she picked us up. She picked us up a little thing of candy and like cute toys and stuff like that. Awesome stuff. So let's open it up. So we're first going to get these two awesome pins. I love these pins so much. They're Japanese style mascot pins. Oh, little tiny sumo wrestler and little.
This one was mine.
Yeah. And let me fix it. And little tiny Kokashi. I think it's that. I'm not that good at saying stuff.
And then, guys, watch. Want to see the style of the pin? Look at it. Put it on the back.
That's nice. Okay.
It works like a regular pin.
Yeah. That's perfect. Ooh, come on, Lee. Let's try some other cool stuff. Get over there. Next, we are going to look at other toys.
Put it on the side.
Okay, good idea. Okay.
Ooh, this is my toy.
And this is my.
I'm gonna open it up for it.
Oh.
So,
Okay, it's like
guys, you can either get one toy or two toys.
Well, actually, there's
Like you can either get one, two. You can either get this one or this one, or
Well,
you can
actually,
get both.
No.
Or you can get both.
No, I think it's just you get both of them together.
Let's
And
see.
I got this cute little kitten.
Prank you guys! It comes with one.
Two even.
Yeah, two. Yeah. I'm going
And
to
guys,
Japan.
tell us in the comments if you have ever been to Japan.
I know, I really want to go there.
And if you haven't, tell us if you want to. And look at my little thing. It can move. And it's like one of those little solar panel things, so you put it in the light.
And guys, if you know
It's
what
so
what
And
these
and
toys
the
are
little
saying,
hand, like, goes like that.
and guys, if you know what these toys are saying, like up here, tell us in the comments.
If
so
you
we can
know Japanese, tell us in the comments. Or tell us what your name is in Japanese. And you can tell us like on the
can put
bottom
it
where it
back.
actually is in English because we don't know.
And then you can put it back and prank your friend and say, like I pranked you. I would say, oh hey, you can either get one or two, like that.
Okay, now it's the final one, but the coolest one. I never tried this before. I never tried Japanese candy before.
No.
Okay, this is Lily's. And he accidentally ripped, but he didn't try any of them or anything. He was like, he's accidentally ripped. But look at mine. Mine are little star candies from Hello Kitty. Sorry.
But guys, look at what I found underneath. See that? That could be something that I don't know.
Maybe a sticker or that too. And okay, I'll tell you the flavors of this. So there's apple, watermelon.
Lemon.
Lemon or grape.
Now I'm gonna tell you what I have. I have lemon. Then I have pineapple, then grape, then green grapes, then strawberry, then peach. Yeah, peach, and then
Orange.
Yeah, orange.
So let's get opening these. Oh, they're all in little bags.
So let's pour these out.
I'm not gonna eat all these. I'm just trying it out. So let's try one of these. I'm gonna first try. Yeah, they're like little star candies.
Mine's
I'm
little
gonna try.
circle. Oh, guys, look at it. It's
Apple.
like a little poster, I think, now.
Out of Pinocchio, I think.
Yeah, I got for Pinocchio.
And I'm gonna try this apple one.
I'm gonna try.
Is that? I don't
see
know
what
color it is.
We'll see.
Oh, look at it. They're like little hard candies, but they're shaped like stars.
Want one, and I'll get one of yours. I'll give you one of these. I'll try one of these. I'm gonna first try Maddie's. Now I'm gonna try that one. Let's see which one I'm gonna pick. I'm gonna pick lemon for my favorite.
That was the best candy ever.
There you go.
That was really good. I really like apple. How did you just crunch out something fast? So good!
This is good. I'm gonna try one of these.
Let's see. Wait, want to see it? Show them. Show them close up.
I don't know what character this plays. Captain Hook, I think. This could be Captain Hook.
That was good. So I'm gonna try this one. It's a Mickey Mouse. It's really cute. I love Mickey Mouse.
This is green grapes.
Or you know what? We can actually try Tinkerbell.
Sure.
Since you know it's a girl. I'm gonna try Tinkerbell instead.
Grapes are so.
I think it might be peach.
No, it's grape. I want to see it's green. This is like my favorite flavor I taste right now. My favorite flavor thing.
That's really good.
Mm.
I think it might be peach.
Mm.
It has like a cool taste to it.
I'm
Now,
gonna try a lemon now.
and me too.
And guys, this is it for today for me. So, yeah, because I'm gonna go to bed very soon. I'm gonna put my PJs on and I'm gonna go to bed soon. So.
Well, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much, Stephanie, for all this amazing
I
stuff.
know.
And okay, so if you like, subscribe, and share.
Bye.
And tell us if you ever went to Japan. And if you want to or not. Bye.
Bye.